iVapps, enabling future digital flow. The problem: every day, billions of gallons of water are lost through leaking networks, costing companies huge amounts of money to maintain and repair. Water security is a growing political, social and economic priority, meaning water must become a sustainable commodity. How do we solve the problem? A step change is required in the monitoring and control of distribution grids to digitalize networks. Introducing the iVapps solution. The iVapps smart cartridge valve revolutionizes the pipeline industry. By the digitization of pipeline networks, the iVapps valve delivers smart data, allowing the user to reduce loss of water through real-time leak detection, saving significant costs through disablement, all from within the smart cartridge. And it can be fully integrated with the customer's individual sensor requirements. Plus, it can be serviced without shutting down the pipeline and without excavating roads, all within 10 minutes.